Hi, this is Amy from BlastKing. Today I'm going to introduce you our screw roll short blasting machine. We are commissioning the screw roll short blasting machine for our American customer. These customers are mainly blast processing tubes, bars, cylindrical parts. This whole short blasting unit with auto loading system. The tube cylindrical parts will automatically load onto the screw roll conveyor system. And this short blasting unit with 4 blasting turbines, and this is a totally customized short blasting unit because customer have a space limit in their facility. Their workshop height limit is 4.5 meters. So we designed two units blasting media recycle system. This type of design is to accommodate customers' facility height limit. Contact Amy to get your customized short blasting machine.
差不多完了，就来只有这个没完，咱也都完了。